Hi guys, in this video we will see various type of camera settings for best photo and video quality, and the first setting is how to set camera timer on your iPhone.
And to set a camera timer on your iPhone, first unlock your iPhone, launch camera, tap on camera app and your camera app is open. Here you can see a small arrow icon appear on the top of your iPhone screen. Thereafter go to down and swipe up, and here you will find a timer sign. Enable this feature and turn off 3 second and 10 second, three option available here. And as soon as you turn on this feature, 3 second or 10 second, icon will appear at the top right corner, and here you can see 3 second camera timer is enabled. Now take a snap and your camera timer is enabled. You can also choose 10 second or 3 second. And you can also change it by 3 second to 10 second. 3, 2, 1, and your photo will captured.
How to enable Apple Pro RAW camera settings on your iPhone. If you want to set your camera setting or change camera settings, here are the process. Tap on settings of your iPhone. Here look for the camera settings. Tap on camera settings. Here scroll down and you will find the option formats. Tap on format settings. Here scroll down and you will see Pro RAW and resolution control settings you will find. Simply turn on this feature to enable Pro RAW camera resolution settings. Here 3 to 4 option available. Tap on Pro default and here option available HEIF maximum, Pro RAW 12 MP, Pro RAW maximum up to 48 MP. Select a default Pro format. File sizes are approximately 5 MB for HEIF at 48 MP, 25 MB for Pro RAW at 12 MP, and 75 MB for Pro RAW at 48 MP. Various type of sizes available. Choose as per your choice.
How to set your iPhone camera aspect ratio to 16:9 on your any of your iPhone. And to do so, launch camera app and you can see as present aspect ratio is 4:3 or 3:4. Now we will convert and set it as 16:9. Launch camera app of your iPhone and here scroll from the bottom and here you will find ratio. At present 4:3. Choose 16:9 from here. Now your screen is larger than previous, and from where you can also go to previous settings such as 4:3 and 16:9. To set your iPhone camera flash auto on or off. There are three features to camera flash auto, on and off. Launch your iPhone camera and here set photos and swipe up on this screen and you will find flash option. Tap on it and you will auto on and flash off. If you set auto, then here you can set on and click on photos and this will flash is on. And the third one is flash off. You can also choose flash off. Now there will no any flash after capturing any photos from your iPhone. Then from where you can change iPhone camera flash auto on or off.
The next one is how to set default camera focal length of your iPhone.
And to set default camera focal length, tap on settings. Here go to camera app, scroll down and tap on camera. Here scroll down and tap on main camera. Tap on main camera. And here under default lens, 24 mm, default to 28 mm, default to 35 mm. Set as per your choice for default camera lens, and additional lenses you can also choose 28 mm, 35 mm.
The next one is how to enable macro control of your iPhone. Enable macro control in your iPhone camera. Then here are the process. Tap on settings of your iPhone. Here scroll down and go to camera settings. Tap on it. Here scroll down and you will find the option macro control. So camera control for automatically switching to the ultra wide camera to capture macro photos and videos. So turn the toggle button on or off to enable or disable macro control on your iPhone.